In this video, we'll learn about the callable function in Python. In Python, everything is an object, and functions included, so you can pass functions as arguments to another functions. So I just created this function, which leverages the callable function, which we are talking about. This is a built-in function in Python, which checks if the passed value is a function or not, or in other words, callable. It could be a function, it could be anything that you can add parentheses to it, like for example class considered a function that you can pass, like what let me think, like print is a function. Okay, so this basically checks if we can call whatever is passed to it, and it returns true or false. So let me give you a simpler example. If we say print callable and we pass the print function itself, so meta, I know. Let's comment this and just focus in here. If I run this, it would say true, because the print function is callable. It's a function, so you can call it. So basically, this function just tells you whether it's you can call this thing or not. So I created this function, which would, if you passed a function to it, it would tell you it's a function. If you passed something that's not a function, it would tell you it's not a function. And we are testing over here with any, which is the function we talked about in a previous video, and it's telling you that it is a function because you can call it, but for the string it's not a function, so it's telling us it's not a function because you can call it. So this basically opens the world, or should open your eyes to a more broader subject, which is the wrappers in Python. So yeah, it's a very in-depth subject, very advanced, quite advanced. Okay, and if you have seen it before, it basically, when you pass when you do a wrapper like this for your function, now this is part, or this leverages the idea that everything in Python is an object. So I will not talk about it now because I just want to intrigue your curiosity, but it took a lot of time. If you want me to create a video about it, drop a comment down in the comment section, and we will try to create a video about it. Yeah, thank you for watching, and peace out.